Dope. Definition: cool, awesome, impressive.
Yeah, they're dope, man.
It's dope.
And his sneakers are dope.
Word. Definition: agreement, like saying okay or true.
Okay, word.
No way. Definition: expression of disbelief or surprise.
No way, I don't believe you.
I'm down. Definition: I agree.
I'm down with it though.
Down with it.
Just so we're clear, I'm down with it.
Period or on period. Definition: used for emphasis, like that's final.
He doesn't have his phone on, period.
That's on period.
Sus. Definition: suspicious.
Very sus on you.
You know, that was pretty sus if you ask me, right?
No cap. Definition: no lie, being serious.
Because I was a whitewater guide in Northern California, no cap.
Bummer. Definition: expressing disappointment or feeling bad about something.
Oh, what a bummer.
It's a bummer.
OTP. Definition: one true pairing, an ideal romantic couple.
I can't even lie, they're my OTP.
Gucci. Definition: good, cool, or okay.
Tells me that everything is Gucci and that they're waiting for me.
Hit me up. Definition: call me, text me.
Just hit me up real quick, okay?
Anytime you want to hang out, just hit me up with the text.
Hey, I'm here for you whenever, so just hit me up.
Shoot. Definition: expression of surprise, disappointment, or annoyance.
Oh shoot, I forgot to change my shoes.
Shoot, it's my dad.
Oh, shoot.
My bad. Definition: my mistake, my fault.
Oh, my bad.
You know, it's my bad.
Alex, that's my bad.
No biggie. Definition: not a big deal, no problem.
No biggie.
Okay, no biggie. Hey. Yeah, we live here all the time, no biggie.
Crash. Definition: to sleep somewhere.
You can crash on the couch.
I'll crash on the couch.
Honestly, anywhere I can find a couch to crash on.
Sick. Definition: cool, awesome.
That's sick.
That's sick, man. Wow.
Low key. Definition: kinda, a little bit.
Yeah, at first, but then you make me try them on and I low-key love them.
I low-key want to.
High key. Definition: truly, completely, obviously.
Yeah, we're high-key slinging pads these days.
Low-key, high-key? This audience is light as a mother.
Bet. Definition: agreement or confirmation, like okay.
Alright, bet.
Alright, bet.
Okay, bet.
Okay, bitch.
Lame. Definition: boring, dull, uninteresting.
That was a pretty lame cover.
I know it's lame.
Guys, this is so lame.